Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, I was given this HadinEEon Blender to review. I've had it a couple days now, and I've taken it out of the brown shipping box. It's in this box, so let's unbox it. And my next review on this will be a demo. So, comes with lucky gift card. Gives you a website to go to contact them. Fax. 3-year warranty. It comes with a 2-year warranty, but if you fill out the registration thingamajig, they give you an extra year. And tell you tips for cleaning and maintenance on here. And it comes with the user manual. Now, I've read it. I've glanced over it. Okay. But you're supposed to read your stuff. Okay. Right off the top, it comes with a rubber, what is this, gasket or sealing ring or washer. I guess I didn't read too good, huh? This is the blade assembly. You have to be very careful because this thing is sharp. It looks. Get that out the way. Oh, and I see there's another washer down in there, so they gave me an extra one. Okay. Comes with a 20-ounce, what they call this, tumbler. Portable travel bottle. This is 20 ounces. It has a handle. That's nice. It's nice hard plastic. And it has the measurements on the side. It also comes with a ounce travel bottle with the handle, measurements on the side. Very nice, easy to grip. It has like an indentation here, and like finger holds, or you can just hold it by the handle, I guess. The same thing with the little one. Okay. And for the main part, comes with a beautiful stainless steel red finish base. And it has 3 settings on it. P for pulse, 1 for low speed, and 2 for high speed. The low speed is for blending up soft things like bananas and kiwi, stuff like that. The number 2 is for blending up ice cubes and carrots, apples, and the P is for just short bursts of blending. And then it has a 0 on here. That's when you shut it off. You put it on 0. It also has a handle. Look at that. It has feet under here so it doesn't slide on your counter while it's running. The vibration won't make it slide off your counter. I should have kept that box. Okay, undo this cord. See how long it is? Oh, this is a long cord. That's 1, 2. Look like a 3.5 foot cord. Let me go get this box so I can read y'all about it. Okay. Okay, it says it has a powerful motor. It has 300 watts. And it's easy to clean. And it says the cup can be used as a container. So you can blend in the cup and also use it to drink out of. It says it comes with a 24-month warranty. Register your product to activate the 2-year warranty and receive a bonus extra 1-year warranty. And it says it has adjustable speed, which I just told you about. Safety lock. I don't know what that is. Overheating protection. So if it gets too hot, if you've been running it too long, it'll shut off. But that don't mean it's broke. That's just safeguarding the motor. So that's a good thing. Quick blending, portable travel bottle. And they leave a website. If you have a problem, they say don't hesitate to reach out to them if you need any help. Okay. This is much nicer than the little one I had bought. You know, the kind that you put the bottle in and just twist. It doesn't have this many watts. This is 300 watts. So let's see how this does. Okay, I'm gonna unscrew the top. So this is how it works. You put your cut up apple and your apple juice and bananas and whatever in here. You screw this on. And then you put it on the base. This is a pretty color. You got arrows. So what you line the arrows up with. I see a lock on here and an open. Lock it goes that way. Okay. And then it's not plugged in. So you can just turn the dial. So you can turn it to 1, 2, or the P for pulse. And then when you get through, just unscrew it and put your cap on, and you can drink whatever you just blended up. So I'll do my actual demonstration in another video. But this is the HadinEEon Blender, model number GS-651. So I may make a smoothie tomorrow. It's got good weight to it. It has a small footprint, so it's easy to tuck away in a cabinet. Very nice. So I'm looking forward to using it. But I'm about to get in there and make some chicken wings. So I want to thank you all for watching. let me put this on here so I can put it in the thing and do my thumbnail. Can't see the name of it, but anyway, this is the HadinEEon Blender, and I'll do the actual demo in another video. This is very nice. Look at that beautiful color. At one time, everything in my kitchen was red. I like this a lot. So thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave the link for this HadinEEon Blender in my description box. It'll take you to Amazon, and you can currently get 10% off. So that's why I'm not giving you a coupon code, because they're giving you 10% off. Okay, so y'all be blessed. Bye.